action.
All right, today is July 21st. We're doing a cold start on the 1972 911E. The motor is completely cold, hasn't been started for a while, as you can see. I'm trying to reach the touch parts that might otherwise be hot, but nothing's hot because it's been sitting here for days. That was a cold start with about a half to a third of the hand throttle up, and it's still got the hand throttle until it warms up sufficiently. See good pressure. Oil pressure at about halfway at the mid-level at idle. Car is cold, as noted by the temperature gauge. Oil level not registering. The float may be stuck. I will check that. And the next we're going to do a drive-by video.